Dear students, welcome to s.mathguru classes. Our main discussion is maxima minima, three variables, Lagrange multipliers with undetermined coefficient. So in this problem, we consider one problem, find the maximum and minimum distances of the point 3, 4, 12 from the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1. Now what is the minimum distance of the point this from the sphere this? We have to find this one. So let the coordinates of the given point be x, y, z. Then its distance d, we consider d distance from 3, 4, 12. D equal to, we can write root over x minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square, and z minus 12 whole square. This is the distance between 2 points, we know. This is d square equal to x minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square, z minus 12 whole square. If we squaring both sides, we get this. Now we consider this is capital X, Y, Z. This equal to x minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square, z minus 12 whole square. We get this one. And the sphere given, since x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1 given, so let phi x, y, z equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus 1. Taking 1 in left hand side, we get this. Now del f, so directly we can write or find del f del x. This is del x of x minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square, z minus 12 whole square. So we differentiating partially with respect to x, then y and z constant, and if we differentiate this, then we get 2x minus 3 plus 0, we get 2x minus 3, we get this one. And del f del y, we get del y x minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square, z minus 12 whole square. And this is 0, this is 2 into y minus 4 plus 0, and this will be 2 into y minus 4. We get this. Now del f del z, del z, this is x minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square, z minus 12 whole square. This is 0, 0, and this one 2 into z minus 12. This is 2 z minus 12 we get del f del x, del f del y, del f del z. Again del phi del x, del x, phi means x square plus y square plus z square minus 1. This is twice x, this is 0 plus 0 minus 0, this one twice x we get. And del phi del y, this is del y, x square plus y square plus z square minus 1, 0 twice y plus 0 minus 0, this is twice y, because we are differentiating partially with respect to y, others constant. Del phi del z, del z, x² plus y² plus z² minus 1. This is 0 plus 0 plus 2z minus 0. This is 2z we get. We get these are the values of del phi del x, del phi del y, del phi del z. Now by Lagrange equation, we have del phi del f del x lambda del phi del x equal to 0. Next del f del y lambda del phi del y equal to 0. Del f del z lambda del phi del z equal to 0. These are Lagrange equation. Now putting the value del f del x we know this 2x minus 3 lambda del phi del x is twice x. This is twice x equal to 0. And next 2 del f del y is 2y minus 4 lambda 2y equal to 0. Del f del z is this 2 z minus 12 lambda 2z equal to 0. Del phi del z equal to 2z. We get this. And these are dividing by 2, then we get x minus 3 plus lambda x equal to 0. And this one, next one, y minus 4 lambda y equal to 0. And the last one is z minus 12 lambda z equal to 0. So we consider this is number 1, number 2, number 3. We get this one. Now 1 implies in 1 we get x common 1 plus lambda equal to 3. From these two x common, 3 taking right inside 3. Or this implies x equal to 3 by 1 plus lambda. From equation 1 we get this. Now consider 2. 2 implies y 1 plus lambda equal to 4. Just taking y common and 4 taking right hand side, we get this. And this implies y equal to 4 by 1 plus lambda. We get this. Now 3 implies 12 taking right hand side and taking z common. Z then 1 plus lambda equal to 12 and z equal to 12 by 1 plus lambda. We get the values of x, y, z, but in terms of lambda we get. Now we multiplying this equation number 1 by x, 2 by 2 and 3 by z we get. Now 1 into x plus 2 into y plus 3 into z. This implies multiplying equation number 1 by x, 2 by y and 3 by z. If we multiplying by x, then we get x square minus thrice x plus lambda x square, this one. and this equation multiplying by y square minus 4y lambda y square. So second finish. Next third one multiplying by z square minus 12z plus lambda z square equal to 0 we get. Just multiplying equation number 1, 2, 3 by x, y, z and adding we get this already written, and taking this x square, y square, z square together, x square plus y square plus z square we write down together, and taking lambda also common from these 3, lambda common, then we get x square plus y square plus z square. From this lambda common, we get x square, y square, z square, and this one minus 3x minus 4y minus 12z remains same. And again from these two taking x square plus y square plus z square common, then we get 1 plus lambda. From these two terms taking x square, y square, z square common, and we get here 1, here lambda, and these are remain same. 3x minus 4y minus 12z equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus z square means 1 plus lambda, and these are taking right hand side 3x plus 4y plus 12z. This value is lambda because x square plus y square plus z square is lambda, and we get this 1 plus lambda. Now putting the values of x, y, z is x means 3 by 1 plus lambda, 4 by 1 plus lambda, and this 12 by 1 plus lambda. Putting in place of x, y, z, 3 into x means 3 by 1 plus lambda, 4 into 4 by 1 plus lambda, 12 into 12 by 1 plus lambda. We get this. So 1 plus, we get this one 1 plus lambda, and this is 1 plus lambda is LCM. We get 9 plus 16 plus 144. 9, 16, 144. And multiplying this one left hand side, 1 plus lambda whole square. This is 169. Then 1 plus lambda equal to plus minus root over 169, and 1 plus lambda equal to plus minus 13 we get. The value of 1 plus lambda plus minus 13. Putting here x is this, y this, and z this. Therefore x equal to 3 by plus minus this 13 plus minus 13, y equal to 4 by plus minus 13, and z equal to 12 by plus minus 13. So what we get, therefore x equal to plus 3 by 13 minus 3 by 13. Therefore the points are, one points will be 3 by 13, 4 by 13, 12 by 13, and another points will be minus 3 by 13, minus 4 by 13, minus 12 by 13. These are the 2 points we have. Initially we consider the points is x, y, z. Now we find minimum distance and maximum distance. Since d equal to root over x minus 3 whole square, y minus 4 whole square, z minus 12 whole square. This is the distance of the point xyz to 3, 4, 5. This is the distance. Now we get this. Therefore, the minimum distance root over first point you putting this point in place of xyz you putting x is 3 by 13. This is 3 by 13 minus 3 whole square, 4 by 13 minus 4 whole square, 12 by 13 minus 12 whole square. We get this one. This will be, if we calculate this is 3 minus 39 by 13 whole square, 4 minus 52 by 13 whole square, and this is 12 minus this is starting into this is 156 by 13 whole square, then this will be minus 36 by 13 whole square, this is minus 48 by 13 whole square, and this one minus 144 by 13 whole square. We get this one. Now if we calculate this, then 13 whole square means 169 we get, and 36 square is 1296, and 48 square is 2304. 144 square is 20736. We get this one, and if we adding all of this, then this is, if we adding all of this, we get 24336 by 169. This equal to root over 144 if we divide, and this will be 12. We get minimum distance, we get 12. Now maximum distance. Putting the value here, this point putting here, we get minus 3 by 13 minus 3 whole square minus 4 by 13 minus 4 whole square, and minus 12 by 13 minus 12 whole square, and this will be, if we write directly, this is 39 and 2 42 minus 42 by 13 whole square, and this is 52, and this will be 56 minus 56 by 13 whole square, and this is then we get 168 minus 168 by 13 whole square. And if we calculate in this way, then after calculation we have root over, we get, if we squaring this, and this is 169 LCM, and squaring this, if we calculate this, ultimately 196 we get, and this will be 14 we get. Therefore, maximum distance is 14 and minimum distance is 12. This is the required answer. Find the maximum and minimum distance of the point 3, 4, 12 from the sphere disk. So, from the sphere disk, this point whose distance is minimum distance 12 and maximum distance 14. Very easy solution, very nice solution. So I hope you are all enjoying with me. If you are all enjoying, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.